What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Thin and Fit by Spigen. Let's check it out. So yeah, I like Spigen cases. They're relatively inexpensive alternatives. This is the Thin and Fit for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah, the packaging is all pretty much the same on these. So let's get her open and take a look here. Not really a whole lot going on with the packaging. We've got the outer cover that feels like it might be compostable or something, but I can't tell. The instructions here, a little bit of marketing material going over some other products they have. Pretty nifty. And the case itself. This has a very strong like commuter vibe, but for a lot less money. Even down to the different materials around the edge here. But the inside is nice. It looks like it's going to cushion the phone well. Nothing sticking out that could cause scratches. The material feels durable and strong. Yep. The buttons are nice. I really like the material. It feels like it's going to hold up against scratches pretty well. They really got the tolerances pretty close when they created this phone. And it's exactly what you'd expect. It goes in with no problem. All the cutouts are nice. You can see the speaker grill and the charging port, no problem. The power button is nice and accessible. The volume rockers are perfect. Getting to the silencer is all right. It's a little bit tight. The ring around the optics is fine. The new height of your phone will be 0.41 inches. At the camera bump, it's about a little bit north of ½ an inch. And you're looking at 3.2 inches wide. The case itself is about an ounce or just shy of 30 grams. This seems a pretty solid alternative to something like the commuter case if you're looking for something that's going to protect your phone, not be huge or bulky, and also be easy on the wallet. Thanks so much for checking out this video with me today. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.